Hi, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses all around the area, and I've learned that by giving people a free attack plan of things that they could actually do themselves to positively impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still putting their trust in me. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you today and do it all yourself, that works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and quickly go over the 3 things that will set your company above your competition. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. So I took your website here and I went ahead and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake. As you can see, this is your URL. This tool is free and you could download it too. Now, when you look at the keywords and the content, quantity is what we're going to look at first. So overall, what we want to see is 1,500 words or more on the home page. The reason being is Google has actually released that their algorithms, when they scrub the page, are looking for that minimum 1,500 words to be completely optimized within their platform. Of course, you can always go for more, but they just want to see that minimum number. So one quick way of just helping your organic ranking and to get found in Google is just to get a little more content on your page, about 1,100 more words. Now, the second thing I'm going to discuss, it goes in hand with the content, and it's right here, and it's the keyword density. So when someone types things into Google, the algorithms basically scrub all the pages to try and find those words that people are looking for. So for instance, I typed into Google basement repair Milwaukee, and as you can see, your number 1 competitor is this accurate basement repair here. So I went ahead and I plugged them into SEO Quake as well. And as we can see, they have 929 words. But look at their keywords. They have basement 27 times, foundation 22 times, repair 18 times. Those 3 things are things that they want to be found for. Now, the only other thing that I would probably add to would be Milwaukee, or the other areas you want to be found for. Now let's look at yours again. You have basement, which is good, walls, structural, but not nearly as many times. And that's going to be because the quantity and the quality go hand in hand. Now the third and last thing I'm going to talk about is how we get to this number 1 spot right here. Now, it's going to be through backlinking. Another tool that I use is called Ahrefs. And as you can see, I plugged your URL here, and we can see that you have about 240 backlinks with 60 referring domains, but you're only generating about 102 clicks a month. Now, one of the reasons is because you have a low DR. DR is domain rating, and that's strictly based upon your backlink profile. Now, although you have quite a few backlinks, where you could be falling short is maybe the quality of your backlinks. So you need to make sure when you're going out and getting these backlinks that they're coming from good quality sources with a high URL. But also, quantity isn't the only thing. As I said, the quality matters. But what is a backlink? Well, a backlink is simply one website pointing to another website. In Google's eyes, it shows authority. It's basically a popularity contest. So if we look at your competitor here, we can see that they have a 21 DR. And they have almost 2,000 backlinks with 600 referring domains, and they're getting in, 3,500 clicks a month. That is really good. So as you can see, it pays to, invest into the backlinking and everything because it brings in the traffic. In closing, we talked about 3 things today. We talked about content quality. We also talked about content quality and how you want to go after those good keywords and 1,500 word minimum. Lastly, we discussed backlinks and how it's important to have relevant sites pointing at you, showing Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies we discussed today, you'll be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take this information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.